Hello everyone, welcome back to Resi Thrive. I'm here again with another money-making video, the best and unique side hustles for immigrants. You don't have to be in the UK, you can be an immigrant living anywhere in the world. These side hustles will apply to you. Now, a side hustle refers to any employment besides one's full-time job. Side hustles can range from traditional part-time jobs to entrepreneurial ventures and are often pursued out of passion or to meet specific financial goals. Importantly, they offer a flexible way to earn extra income, providing you with the reassurance that you can maintain a healthy balance between your primary job and personal life. Now, we all know that we're living in the times where we're experiencing the rise cost of living. So, with the rising cost of living, side hustles have become a powerful tool for many to boost their income. Immigrants in the UK can also take advantage of this trend to significantly enhance their financial stability, giving them a sense of empowerment and control over their financial situation. Who doesn't want to be in control of their finances? We all want that. So in this video, as I said, I want to give you the best and unique side hustles immigrants can pursue to earn extra income and make the most of their unique skills and experiences. So here are 5 options to consider. The first option is translation and interpretation services. This is something that immigrants can do, if not all immigrants, in fact, because immigrants often speak multiple languages because they come from nations where they speak a different language from their host nation. Therefore, immigrants fluent in multiple languages can offer translation and interpretation services to individuals and businesses. For example, we have translation services in hospitals where patients who can't speak the language, say English, are accompanied by a professional interpreter. This could involve translating consent forms, what the healthcare professional says, for example, a doctor explaining a procedure, and so on. One can also translate other documents, interpret for events and meetings, or provide language tutorial services. This is something that is unique to immigrants because of their ability to speak multiple languages. The second side hustle is cultural cuisine catering or cooking classes. Again, this is unique because immigrants who are passionate about cooking could offer their traditional cuisine through catering services for events or by holding cooking classes for local community members. These classes allow people to learn about different cultures through food, creating a rich and immense experience. They can even be competitions held in their community where they can showcase their cooking skills, where they can showcase the cuisine from their original countries. Not only is this fun, but it offers an opportunity for people to make money. Now, before I give you my next point, I just want to talk about selling at cultural events and showcasing your products and services. And I want to give a real example of how Zimbabweans in the UK leverage their unique skills and position to make money. Every summer, we have a big event called Zimfest. During this event, anyone with a side hustle can showcase their products and services, allowing them to expand their customer base. And also attending the Zimfest event is a great way to gain exposure and network with other people. So as a Zimbabwean immigrant living in the UK, this is one way that you can take your business to the next level and make money, real money. Now, the third side hustle that immigrants can do is language tutoring. One way for immigrants who are fluent in their native language to earn income is by providing language tutorial services to individuals or groups interested in learning a new language. There are always people interested in learning a new language. Now, this tutorial can be conducted in person or virtually, depending on the preferences of both the tutor and the students. So this is something that immigrants can do because of their unique position. As I said before, most immigrants are in that unique position where they speak multiple languages because of where they come from. Now, this next point, I wasn't really going to mention it because it's a common one. Everyone knows about it, but I will mention it because it has got a unique angle to it. And that is YouTube, starting a YouTube channel. Now, as an immigrant, you've got a unique advantage, an unfair advantage when you start a YouTube channel. The reason I say that is because as an immigrant, you experience life in a unique way. If you live abroad and you're an immigrant, you have unique experiences that not everyone gets to experience because you live life as an immigrant. So you can start a YouTube channel and offer advice talking about your unique experiences as an immigrant. You can talk about immigration. You can talk about life as an immigrant. You can give insights into life as an immigrant. You can talk about your perspective as an immigrant. This is something, as I said, not everyone is able to do because not everyone out there is an immigrant. So you can use your position as an immigrant as your unfair advantage. This is one way that you can stand out on YouTube, is by leveraging that uniqueness, that unique experience that you have as an immigrant living in a foreign country. Also, you can start a blog as well, writing about your experiences as an immigrant. This is something that you can leverage. This is something that you can use to get ahead of others. Now, my last suggestion when it comes to side hustles and earning that extra income is cultural tour guiding. Immigrants who possess deep knowledge about their home country's history, traditions, and culture can provide enriching and authentic cultural tour experiences for both local residents and tourists. These tours offer a captivating opportunity to delve into different traditions, customs, and historical landmarks, providing a unique and insightful perspective on the rich tapestry of diverse cultures. Now, the last thing I want to say is it's also important to remember that balancing a side hustle with a full-time job and personal life can be challenging. So time management and self-care are important to maintain a healthy work-life balance while pursuing side hustles. And one more thing before I end this video, and this one is a major one. It's about embracing patience when you start a side hustle. When embarking on a side hustle, it's essential to understand that achieving success takes time. And you need to be consistent as well. It takes time, patience, and consistency. These things are crucial to remember when you start a side hustle. Many people struggle in their side hustles because they expect immediate results. They want instant success, but instant success does not always happen. Even if it happens, sometimes the ability to handle the success for when it comes is in that period of waiting, is in that struggle period when you learn to handle failure, when you develop resilience, when you learn that patience, when you learn to solve problems. It is during that time when you're growing your side hustle that you develop skills, the skills that you need to handle success for when it comes. Because if you expect instant success or immediate results, that will lead to frustration and disappointment. That is why some people quit. Understanding that success is a gradual process can help maintain motivation and momentum in pursuing your side hustle. Also, you need to be reminding yourself of your why. Why did you start this side hustle in the first place? Your why will be your motivation, because understanding your why, knowing your why, and constantly reminding yourself of that why will keep you going when things are challenging, when you experience setbacks. So this is important to remember. Be patient with yourself and stay consistent. So this is what I had for you in this video. As always, I hope you found it useful. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.